Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Once again, welcome back to yet another video of Electropixels. This is a 32-inch Full HD Sony LCD TV. The model number is CX420. Here in this TV, the complaint is Solarized picture with low contrast. See friends, this is the fault. See, this is the complaint. Here we already opened the TV back cover. While checking the panel take-on board, here we found that the VGH voltage is low, and that is the reason for this fault. I will show you the details. See, now we connected the multimeter. While measuring the VGH voltage, you can see it shows approximate 19.51 voltage. It's a low voltage. Instead of getting 27 to 30 volt, here the output is 19 volt. So here, this is the reason for the low contrast issue in this TV. So there are two solutions. The first solution is replacing the DC to DC IC, and second solution is replacing the take-on board. Here we are going to implement the second solution, that is replacing this take-on board. It's a 32-inch Full HD panel. See friends, finally here we take another take-on board of same model. So here we are going to connect this particular take-on board. Let me fix this take-on board first. Now we fixed the take-on board. Now let us connect all FFC cables, LVDS cables. Now all sockets are connected in this condition. Let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is turned on. Here you can see, now picture comes. Now let us check the picture in. See friends, here you can see. Now the picture is more brighter than earlier, and the low contrast issue is solved in this TV. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topics.